Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will cover Vizag Steel Management Training 2010 paper. Reasoning paper I will cover. Out of 200 questions, reasoning 25 questions. If you are strong in reasoning, then you can solve it within 20 to 25 minutes. Directions for questions 126 to 131. Find the option which logically follows the given premises. Syllogism questions already discussed. I made already 4 videos. You can check it from my playlist for syllogisms. Some friends are enemies. All enemies are relative. Draw the diagram. Some friends. F represents friends. Some friends are enemy. Then all enemies are relatives. Don't write the full name enemy. You just write E. You can save the time. Some friends are enemies and all enemies are relatives are. Then from option A, B, C, D you have to check. Some friends are relative. Friend here, relative here, yes. This part of friends are relatives. So, possible. Then go for the other option. Check the other option also. All friends are relative. Not possible. No friend is relative. This is also not possible because this part there belongs to relative, so not possible. None of the options, so A is the answer. Next question, statements 1. Some stars are bird, no birds are elephant. Conclusions are I. Some stars are not elephants. Double I. All stars are elephants. Triple I. Some elephants are not stars. IV. All elephants are stars. So, draw the diagram. Star here, some stars, S represents stars, then B represents bird. No birds are elephant. Elephant E, cross it. Then conclusion. Some stars are not elephant. Stars and elephant. Some stars are not elephant. Doubt case. So some stars are not elephant. This is correct. Star here, elephant is here. So correct. Then all stars are elephant. Star here, elephant here. Not possible. Some elephants are not stars. Some elephants are not stars. Not possible. All elephants are stars. All elephants are stars. Not possible. Then for either or, in options either or also there. So you have to check either or. So for either or, stars elephant, stars elephant. From double I, triple I and IV you have to check. Stars elephant, all stars are elephant. This is 100% not possible. So no need to go for it. Triple I and IV you have to check. Doubt case. Here elephant, subject, stars predicate, elephant subject, star predicate. Here some not, and all case we have to check. Both are parallel. That table I already discussed. That table you have to check. Some, not, and all for either or table parallel case. This is possible. So either or possible. So this is correct. I, and from I, triple I and IV either or. So from option 1 is our answer. I and either triple I or IV follows. For either or case, you can refer my third video of syllogisms. In reasoning playlist you will get. So A is the answer. If your reasoning is strong, then this question also you can solve in 50 seconds. Next question. All boys are prisoners, no prisoner is educated. So first draw the diagram. All boys are prisoners, no prisoner is educated. Cross it. Some educated are prisoners, educated here, prisoner here, not possible. No boy is educated, no boy is educated, yes, possible. Some prisoners are boys, prisoner here, boys here. Some prisoners are boys. Doubtful case. Some prisoners are boys, not 100% correct, doubtful case, so this is not possible. None of the above also, none of the options also not possible. So B is our answer. No boy is educated. Next question. All rings are wings, all wings are kings. All rings are kings, all wings are kings. All rings are wings, this is wing. Then all wings are king. K is the outermost circle. So from option we have to check. All rings are kings, ring here, king here. Correct. All kings are not rings, doubtful case, not possible. Some rings are kings, some rings here, kings here. This is 100% correct case, 100% confirmation case. So some for doubt case. All kings are wings, kings here, wings here. This is also violating the statement. This is already confirmation case. All wings are kings, so opposite is violating. So option A is our answer. This is based on statement and conclusion question. Assertion. Sorry, statement, and you have to, on statement given, you have to choose which one is following or not based on that statement. Question. Statement is, if I have the flu, then I have a sore throat. Options are A, therefore I have only sore throat. B, therefore I have the flu. C, I have only sore throat. D, none of the options. You answer this question. Some swords are sharp, all swords are rusty. Draw the diagram. S for sword. Some swords are sharp. SH for sharp. All swords are rusty. All swords are rusty. R. Some rusty things are not sharp. Some rusty things are not sharp. All swords are rusty. All swords are rusty. This is correct. All swords are sharp. Sword here, sharp here. Some rusty things are sharp. Rusty here, sharp here. Some rusty things are not sharp. A doubtful case. This is only 100% correct. All swords are rusty. So B is the answer. These things 100% following, less than 100% correct. These things I already discussed in syllogism video part 1. You can check it. Question 132. Some phones are watches, all watches are gone. Some phones are watches, phone P for phone, W for watches, all watches are gone. G for gone. Then all guns are watches, gone here, watch here. Not 100% case. Some guns are phone. Yes. All watches are phones. None of the above. So B is the answer. A terrorist will be killed whenever I am in states. So A, small a, I am in states. Small b, a terrorist is killed. Small c, I am not in states. D, small d, a terrorist is not killed. Which one is correct? We have to check. A follows A, then B. If I am in states, a terrorist is killed. B is followed by A. A is followed by B. Then, if I am not in state, a terrorist is not killed. C. Then D. So, A, B, C, D. D is our answer. First A, then B. If C is first, then D will come in second. So A, B, C, D both are possible. My mother said to me, do not have so many friends. My mother forbade me. Forbade meaning is disallow or prohibit. So, a to have so many friends, not to have so many friends, to have been so many friends, to possess so many friends. My mother forbade me to have so many friends. Which of the following is a correct definition of null set? A. When two or more sets overlap each other, then they are referred as null sets. When a set has no element in it, it is known as null set. When the interaction of two or more sets is a null set, then they are called null sets. Null sets have some elements common in them. B is the answer. Which one will replace the question mark? First you try to solve this question. First pause the video and try to solve this question and then match with my answer. Here relation between first column, second column, third column, fourth column. First and third, then second and fourth. So 7 into 3 is 21, 9 into 3, 27. Then 4 into 9, 36, 2 into 9. This is for first row, this is for second row. This is 18. Then for third row, 9 into 6 is 54. So 4 you multiply with 6, 24 you will get. So here 24. B is the answer. A equal to ONE, B equal to TWO. Then A union B you have to calculate. A union B, it will come ONE TW. O already mentioned, so ONE TW. C is the answer. This question is little bit longer question, but if you read it carefully, you can solve it within 1 minute. 5 educational films A, B, C, D, E are to be shown to a group of students. The films are to be shown in a particular order which conforms to the following conditions. First conditions you have to carefully check. A must be shown earlier than C. B must be shown earlier than D. E should be the fifth film shown. Which among the following is an acceptable order for showing the educational films? See, if we are going this in this direction from top to bottom, conditions you have to check. A should be earlier than C. Then B must be shown earlier than D. E should be the fifth. So fifth position already confirmed. This is confirmed. Then first, second, third, fourth not clear. But A should be earlier than C and B should be earlier than D. So fifth E, here E is not at fifth. D also not possible. Method of elimination you have to do. Then for C option and A option, C option, here C is earlier than A. So, but condition A is earlier C. So, C not possible, only A option is possible. A is earlier than C, B also earlier than D, E at last, fifth position. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then A intersection B equal to how much? 1 is here, then 3, 3, 5, 5. So 1, 3, 5. A is the answer. Which one will replace the question mark? Here. First two figures we have to check. Then using the relations you have to answer for the third figure. So here 2 square plus 4 square is 20 in first figure. In second figure here 3 square plus 9 square is 90. Then for third figure 1 square plus 5 square 25 plus 1 26. B is the answer. Here also in first figure you have to answer this one. Which one will replace the question mark place? So in first figure 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 equal to middle one 10. In second figure, 1 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3, 17, the middle one. So same pattern, 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 4, 20. B is the answer. In this type of questions, you cannot assume anything. You have to follow the statements only. Find the statement that must be true according to given information. Robert has a paper route. Each morning, this is morning, he delivers to 37 newspapers to customers in his neighborhood. It takes Robert 50 minutes to deliver all papers. If Robert is sick or has other plans, his friend Sandra, who lives on the same street, will sometimes deliver the papers for him. So, options we have to check. Robert and Sandra live in the same neighborhood. Sandra, who lives on the same street. So, this is possible. Check for the other option. It takes Robert more than 50 minutes to deliver the papers. Here already mentioned, it takes Robert 50 minutes to deliver all the papers. So, more than 50 minutes, not possible. It is dark outside when Robert begins his delivery. Nothing is mentioned. Only each morning he delivers 37 newspapers. About light and dark, nothing is mentioned. So, not possible. Sandra would like to have his own paper route. Chandra will sometimes deliver the papers for him, only mentioned. Which route he is going, not mentioned. So this is not possible. So A is our answer. Here in this question, something is missing here and here. So it is difficult to answer this question. Printing mistake is there. Find the statement that must be true according to the given information. Tom is 12 years old. For 3 years she has been asking her parents for a dog. Her parents have told her that they believe a dog would not be happy in an apartment, but they have given her permission to have a bird. Tom has not yet decided what kind of bird she would like to have. Tom's parents, option A, Tom's parents like birds better than they like dogs. Here nothing is mentioned for birds and dogs whether they like or not. So only they told they believe a dog would not be happy in an apartment. So not possible. Tom does not like birds. Only Tom has not decided what kind of bird he likes or don't like. Does not like birds. This is also not possible. Tom and her parents live in an apartment. Here apartment was mentioned. A dog would not be happy in an apartment. So this is possible. Tom and her parents would like to move. No. Only C is following. C is the answer. Question is, which one will replace the question mark? Here 21 plus 31, 52. Second figure 39 plus 46, 85, 16 plus 83. 99. So from option D is the answer. Find the statement that must be true according to the given information. Last summer, Chris spent 2 weeks at a summer camp. There he went hiking, swimming and canoeing. This summer, Chris looks forward to attending a 2-week music camp where he hopes to sing, dance and learn to play the guitar. So from option you have to check. A. Chris' parent wants him to learn play the guitar. Nothing is mentioned about his parents. Chris prefers music to outdoor activity. This is also not mentioned. Chris goes to some type of camp every summer. Possible. Chris likes to sing and dance. Sing and dance. This is also not 100% correct. C is the best option. C doubt case. D1. Which one will replace the question mark? 1Q1, 2Q8, 3Q27, 4Q81. 64. B is the answer. When 50% of a number is added to 45, the result is the number itself. Then what is the number? 50% of a number x by 2, 50% is 1 by 2 plus 45 equal to the number itself, x. Let x is the number, so x plus 90 equal to 2x, then x equal to 90. So from option D is the answer. Which one will replace the question mark here? This question I am unable to solve. If you are able to solve this question one, please comment in the comment box so that others will be benefit. So check the first two figures, then relation you will get. Answer the question mark here. Question is, a candidate must get 37% mark to pass. He gets 200 marks and fails by 16 marks. What is the maximum number of marks? So 36% pass mark. He get 200 marks and fail by 16 marks. 200 plus 16 is the pass mark. So 36% is 216. What is the maximum number of mark? 100. 216 by 36 into 100. Then 9 into 4 here 2 6 into 100 600. Total mark is 600. So C is the answer. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. If anyone able to solve this question, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.